another Christmas.
Wow.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. Yeah, what's up guys? This is Macharia, and today guys, I want to surprise some few people with the early Christmas gift here. So I'm heading to a supermarket. I want to buy something for so that I can surprise some few people with a Christmas gift here. So let me go in a supermarket and see what it gives us, you know. This place is too dark, man. Crazy. This place is too dark. I don't know why. So let's see what we get here. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go subscribe, and I will appreciate so much. This place looks dark. I don't know why it looks so dark. Let me see what we find here. We want to surprise some few people. So guys, just bought this. I want to go and buy this. You see, it's an Olita, and I think I can surprise some few people for another Christmas here. Let me see. Let's go. Let me go and play this, and we will surprise some few guys with it, and let's see how it goes, you know. Open it for me. No, just cut here. Just open it. So I want it to be open so that it can be easy to give out, you know. Yeah, but I think I will surprise you as the first customer. Get this, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. What about your friend? Let me give it to your friend too. Merry Christmas.
Thank you too.
Thank you. So that's how we started this Merry Christmas. We surprised those girls. You are doing service in that in that supermarket, you know. So let's go and see how this one goes, man. Wow. This will be. Let's go and see. I'm almost there. In the next few steps, I'll be right there. Hey, better quite good too. You know? Yeah. Let's see how this one. I don't know whether she came to work today. I can't see her car. But she's available, let me see. Let me give you a biscuit. Merry Christmas.
89.
Hello.
Merry Christmas too.
Today I'm surprising people with biscuits, you know, for Christmas gift. Yeah. Yeah, guys. But I know some people will ask themselves, this guy can't give out without recording with camera. Here is my answer. This is just for entertainment, you know. Yeah. Just for entertainment, nothing more. So, if I give people, I don't think, even if I record, there is any mistake, you know. Because it's just for entertainment, nothing more. Yeah, let's continue giving. I think today is 21st. No, today is 22nd of December. There's a lot of people going home, man. And yeah, that's why there is a lot of people in the streets. at this time. I'm just trying to look for the best location to give out these biscuits, and I hope it turns out beautiful. I don't want any chaos allowed, you know. I don't want any chaos. Yeah, now here we are. There's a guy who wants to be recorded here. You want to be filmed?
Yeah.
Maybe I give you a biscuit for another Christmas.
Yeah, that is good. What?
Thank you. Wow.
Ungenipatia zote.
Hey,
Ona?
for another Christmas, you know.
Mimi nakuwa na mapacha.
Mapacha kutoka
Me, I
wapi?
do twins myself.
Hello. Eh? You have a friend also?
Wewe ni mtu yetu sana.
Nini ya nini baba?
This for shooting or for filming. Yeah. But today I'm just giving
Camera.
some people a surprise, you know, another Christmas.
Thank you.
You know, so that's fine. Yeah. So more people here want some biscuit here. You know, this for another Christmas, you know.
Thank you.
And more people want it, you know. This for another Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas. This for Christmas. Hakuna. Asante. Wow. Yeah, and the last, you see guys, let me give you one. Guys, the only one remaining. Who gonna get this? 3.
Thank you.
You do want some, bro? Yeah, thank you.
It's over.
You are right, bro. No problem. Yeah. That was crazy. I just gave out all those biscuits and it's gone. Yeah, welcome. Yeah. Christmas, bro. Enjoy your Christmas. Yeah. So, I hope they enjoyed the Christmas and everything turns beautiful. Yeah. You want to say hi? Say hi to my audience. You know? Yeah, like that. Salama kabisa. Yeah. And it turned out to be beautiful. And it was crazy. You know, I told you guys. You give it out like crazy and it's gone already. Whoa. That was beautiful. Just a simple surprise and everybody is happy. And I hope you are entertained too, you know? Yeah. I hope you guys are entertained. And also I know you are happy too. Wow. That was crazy. And I know you have appreciated. So guys, please give me a subscription there. Like this video and also you can share it to your friends, you know. I really do appreciate for always coming back to watch my videos. I always do appreciate. Please like this video and I will appreciate. Subscribe and I'll be happy.
No.
You know? And share also. That guy is saying no, I don't know why. Whoa, the street is full of vibe, you know. Whoa, man. That was beautiful. So guys, this is where I read this video today. I hope you have enjoyed this video up to the fullest. Please give this video a like, subscribe, and let me say peace. See you in the next video. Ciao.